In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a Saudi airline ticket with this full guide. We'll be using the Saudia website to go through the booking process from the flight search page all the way to entering your passenger information. If you're doing this for the first time, just follow along slowly because the process is very straightforward once you know where everything is. Start by going to saudia.com. When the homepage loads, look for the booking area and click on Book. This will open the flight search section where you can begin entering your travel details. Next, choose the type of trip you want. In this example, we're selecting a round-trip flight, which is the best option if you already know both your departure and return plans. After that, click the From field and select the city or airport you'll be flying out of. Then move to the To field and choose your destination. Once your route is set, select your departing date. Make sure you choose the correct day, especially if your travel plans are tied to hotel bookings, events, or connecting flights. After that, select your return date to complete the round-trip search details. With those basics filled in, click Continue. On the next part of the booking form, add the number of passengers and choose your travel class. For example, you might select economy, business, or another available fare class depending on your budget and comfort preferences. When everything looks right, click Search Flights. Saudia will then show you the available options for your trip. At this stage, select the fare type you want, such as a guest or business flight option, depending on what appears for your route. After reviewing the choices, click Select for your departing flight. Next, you'll be asked to choose your return flight. Review the available return options carefully, paying attention to timing and any fare differences. Once you find the flight you want, click Select again. After both flights are chosen, click Continue to Passenger. Now you'll move to the Passenger Details page. Here, enter the required passenger information carefully and exactly as it appears on the traveler's official ID or passport. Accuracy matters here, because even small spelling differences can cause issues later. You may also see a section for document details, which is optional in this example. There's also a frequent flyer program section if you want to add membership information, followed by additional preferences, where you can enter any available travel-related selections. Finally, enter the contact details, so the airline can send booking updates and important trip information. Before moving on, it's always a good idea to review everything once more to make sure your route, dates, passenger details, and contact information are all correct. And that's how to book a Saudi airline ticket on Saudia.com.